Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to clear your File Explorer search history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So how do you go about doing that? You want to go ahead and open up your File Explorer, and once you open up your File Explorer, you will most likely be started at the home. And if you just look towards the bottom here, you will have the recent section, and you can see all the different files that you've opened. Myself, as you can see, it is showing most of those files. And of course, if you're sharing your computer with others, or you're sharing your screen and you're working, or people you just simply don't want, or you simply want to keep your computer tidy and clean, or don't want anyone to see what you recently opened, you can easily go ahead and clear this. And how you go about clearing this recent history? So all you have to do, just simply click on the three dots here at the top, click on the option button here. Then here you want to ensure that you click on general, and once you're here, you will have the button at the bottom there that says clear. So simply click on clear, go ahead and click that button there, and then click on OK. And you will see when you go ahead and close that File Explorer and go ahead and open it again, that all of those recent file is gone. And as you can see, my File Explorer is clean and nice. And that's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and clear your File Explorer search history or your recent viewed files in your File Explorer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.